The Jeof Candiana, named for the town of its origin, is an Italian home-built aircraft that was designed and produced by Jeof SRL of Candiana, introduced in the mid-1990s. When it was available, the aircraft was supplied as a kit for amateur construction. The Candiana features a struck-braced high wing, a 2 seats and side-by-side configuration, enclosed cabin accessed via doors, fixed conventional landing gear in a single engine and tractor configuration. Tricycle landing gear is optional. The aircraft is made from a combination of welded steel tubing and aluminum. The aircraft was designed as a test bed for the SAX 86 engine, a derivative of the Fiat Fire 4-cylinder 4-stroke automotive power plant. The standard day, sea level, no wind, takeoff, and landing roll is 100 meters 328 feet. By 1998, the company reported that 10 kits had been sold, were completed, and flying. Data from Aerocrafter. General characteristics: crew, 1. Capacity, 1 passenger. Length, 6.7 meters 21.9 feet. Wingspan, 8.7 meters 28.4 feet. Empty weight, 282 kilograms 622 pounds. Power plant, 1 SAX 86 4-cylinder 4-stroke automotive conversion engine. Propellers, 2-bladed fixed pitch performance. Maximum speed, 210 km per hour, 130 miles per hour, 110 knots. Cruise speed, 171 km per hour, 106 miles per hour, 92 knots. Stall speed, 63 km per hour, 39 miles per hour, 34 knots. Range, 900 km, 560 miles, 490 nmi.